Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It is 10:26 p.m. Monday, November 27th, 2017. I generally start my fans on, start them from the off position and turn them on while the camera's rolling. Now, the reason I started the camera before the fan this time was I want you all to take a wild guess how many blades this has. This box fan is an old Zayre. Some of you old fogies like me may remember when Zayre was still a functional company. It was a department store. Back, I want to say, I was young when I remember going to the one in Saugus when I was a kid. Over on Route 1. That subsequently became Ames back in about 89 or 90, I want to say. And then Ames went out of business back in 2000. It was 2002, because I remember when they closed, everything was like 90% off. I used that to my advantage because I was moving into my college dorm at the time, so I got a whole bunch of cheap furniture. And anyway, it's been spinning long enough. I'm gonna turn it off so you can guess how many blades it has. It's a metal frame, but a plastic rotor and cage. So the number of blades is probably not what you anticipate. Most of you are probably guessing that it has 5 blades, but you are going to be wrong. I will shut it off and you will see. That is 7 blades. Feel free to count them. But this is a kind of an unusual fan. I've never seen one before, and in fact, I didn't know Zayre had their own line of fans. I'm not sure who the OEM is, but it's interesting. It's back in the 60s and 70s. They used a lot of different colors for fans. There's sort of an olive green, or pea green, I should say. So yeah, it's right out of the probably 60s or 70s. Not sure, there's no year on it, but yeah, we'll start it off on high. It definitely moves quite a bit of air. Medium. And you've already seen it on low, but turn it on there for a couple of seconds. And it's your basic 2-prong plug. Yeah, feel free to check out the, online. If you just Google Zayre, you'll find some interesting old pictures of the old stores. My dad actually worked at one back when he was a teenager. And I do like this handle. It's actually screwed to the frame, unlike a lot of little flimsy ones that are, just kind of wedged in there or, missing in this case. Folks, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video. Please do click like if you would, and sign up to my YouTube page, subscribe. Feel free to check out my Facebook page, also called the Fancave. I've may have met some of you guys already at Fanimation or other fan outings over the years. Yeah, feel free to shoot me a friend request. My name is Mark Wilson. Thanks again for watching. Good night and good luck.